Welcome to EngiGyan, the online learning platform. So my name is Paul P. Joby, and in this video we'll be dealing with Introduction to Java. So let's get started. First of all, the question is, what is Java? Java is a general purpose object-oriented programming language which is used for developing software applications as well as web applications. And the object-oriented programming is a concept in which we treat everything as objects and we deal with it for solving our problem. So basically Java is object-oriented, and there are many other features why we are using Java. And we will see more about Java, and we will explore more features of Java as we move on in the tutorial. So why Java? As I said, Java is an object-oriented programming language which can be used for developing both web applications as well as software applications. And once you have written a Java program, or if you have developed an application with the help of Java programming language, it requires a virtual machine. It is known as Java virtual machine to run your Java program. So if you have a Java virtual machine installed on your device, you can run the Java program. So and Java virtual machine is made available for different platforms like Linux, Windows and Mac operating systems, so that if you write your program once, you can just run it on any operating system that supports JVM. Okay, that is, you can run your Java app program on computers with different operating system without having to write applications for different operating systems. You just need to write your application once, and that's a major advantage of this Java programming. That is all about write once and run anywhere. So what are the key benefits of learning Java programming? So as I said, Java is platform neutral. That is, the program you write can be run on any platforms or any operating system. I mean, the platform means the operating system, if you have a virtual machine on that operating system. And there are also many other features of Java like security and other things which gives it a good popularity within the industry, and it will be a great opportunity if you know Java. And Java is one of the most secure platforms. As I said, there are many reasons, and we will be looking into it in detail in the upcoming tutorials. And Java and Kotlin, they are the both official languages of Google for developing for Android. So as I said, Kotlin is a wrap around Java. That is, Kotlin also requires JVM to execute. Okay, it's just like an advanced version of Java itself. So if you know Java, it will be easier to learn Kotlin. Not only that, you can develop Android applications if you want. And if you want to create your own Android applications, the Java is your best option. And here are some properties of Java. Java is simple. If you just get the object-oriented programming concept, then it's going to be very simple. And Java is interpreted. That is, once you create a Java program, then you compile it, then you get a bytecode file which you interpret. It is interpreted using the help of Java virtual machine. And as I said, Java is portable, and Java is more secured and dynamic and multi-threaded. So this is the basic working of Java. You just have a Java program and you compile it and convert it into a bytecode file. Then you interpret it with the help of a JVM, and you can run on any operating system that supports JVM. So I hope this video gave you a small introduction towards Java programming. Thanks for watching. Thank you.